Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Monday, and believe it or not, this is my first Monday in over a year. I just swore off Mondays altogether because it was just horrible. I was making no money, but if you saw my last video, last Friday, I only made like $37 and I was out for 4 hours. I'm just not making money, and all these other times, I was so discouraged over the weekend, I did not go. But here I am on a Monday, and we're starting off with this offer, $7.23. 13 minutes. That's a good one. Let's go grab it. Oh, it's ready. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Have a good night. Get your dinner out for you. Yeah, no problem. At least we know it's you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Have a good day.
You too. Take care. I love that one. She was waiting for me already. It took under 10 minutes, an easy $7. And as I was driving to that location, I got this one, $20.54. Yes, that's right. It's been a while since I've said $20.54 for 34 minutes. This has taken me slightly out of my zone, but you know what? This is going to get done. 34 minutes and 10 minutes to get back to an area where I'm going to be able to get some orders. So the first hour over $27, I'll take it. Hi, Uber Eats for Matt. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Hi there.
Sorry about that.
No worries at all.
Away for you. Thank you
Perfect,
so
you got it?
much. Yep.
Okay, thank you. That order is in the books and I'm back in my zone. I have something I really want to talk to you about. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I got this one, $10.56, 16 minutes. Let's complete this delivery and then we'll talk about some shady Uber Eats practices. Hi, Uber Eats for Patrick.
Okay.
Thank you.
This and the one pizza.
And the pizza. Thank you so much. So I'm back in my car, driving off, ready to deliver that order, and I got an add-on. You know what? I'll take it. $8.06 for an extra 8 minutes. So back in the restaurant we go. They gave me another one as I was driving away, one. Perfect. Appreciate that.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. How you doing? And there you go, sir. Nice and hot. Yeah. Thank you. Enjoy. How you doing today?
How are you doing?
Doing well. There you go. Enjoy.
Have a good one.
You too. Take care. Those two orders are in the books, but I want to take you back to the Thai kitchen place order that was worth $20.54. The base pay on that order, $4.59, and there was a $16 tip. That's what brought it to $20.54. But here's what I'm thinking. They knew it was going to be all that mileage and 34 minutes. It was actually 35 minutes when it was all said and done. Do they really think anyone's going to take that offer for $4.59 and take up all that time? No way. There's no way. That base pay should have been way higher. But first of all, they showed me the full tip. If they only showed me the $8, there's no way I would have taken it. It would have been, what, 12, 13 bucks for that amount of time and mileage? No one's going to take that. The first thing that made them super shady is they showed me the full tip. It's not the first time they've done this, but showing me the full tip ensured that I took it. But because the tip was so high, they made the base pay lower. They could afford that, so it looked like a good offer. Don't take this the wrong way. I'm not complaining. I'm really happy with anything over 20 bucks. But did they lower the base pay simply because it was a good tip? Let me know your comments down below. I definitely think they do, and here's further proof. They gave me this offer, $6.45, for about the same time, and that's also taken me out of my zone. I do not believe there's a tip on that offer, so that base pay, all in, is going to be $6.45. I was thinking it should have been $6, $7. So I think Uber definitely screwed me on that one. Again, love your comments down below. But then I got this one, $6 for 13 minutes at McDonald's. Let's go grab it and let's keep the night rolling. This Monday is proven to be amazing. Appreciate that. Thank you. You too. be honest with you, I'm in shock. I expected to be sitting around waiting and just having a really horrible night, but I thought, you know what? Let's take the chance. Let's try a Monday. And Mondays are working out because I'm barely having any time to breathe. And we got another one, $8.09 for 20 minutes. Let's go grab some Papa John's. Hi, Uber Eats for Rebecca.
There you go.
Perfect.
Sorry about the
That's
wait.
okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. It's been a very long time since I've just seen order after order after order, and on a Monday. So let's go do this one. $7.40 for 17 minutes. But before we go and grab it, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go grab it. Is that Uber for Claire?
Yeah, yes it is.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Hi, Uber Eats delivery. Thank you, enjoy. Thanks. So I thought my night was going to take a turn for the worse. All I started getting was $3 offers, $4 offers for huge amounts of time. No thank you, not interested. But then we got this one, $7.18 for 13 minutes. That's not bad. Let's keep the night rolling. Hi, Uber Eats pickup BF18D for Ryan. Yeah, no problem. Perfect, thank you. You too. This night is honestly non-stop. We got this one, $12.08, 18 minutes. Keep the offers coming. Hi, Uber Eats for Kay. It's both of them? Perfect. Thank you, appreciate that.
For the order,
Yeah.
people just do it like all the time. Oh, we didn't receive our orders. I'm getting charged back all the time. And I was like, here you go.
Yeah, that's why I approve it. It's like you have to. I've had too many orders that they said it just didn't arrive or it arrived damaged and...
What it was your fault? Did they charge you back or?
No, but then they give you like violations and different things, right? Like they'll say the customer said you either didn't deliver it or...
Cheap, man.
No, I know. They're just trying to get...
Free food
Yeah.
all the time. I said like, no worries, I have camera all around. That's why I mentioned 2 bags. Everything is in there. So I just don't.
You're doing it, I'm doing it, yeah, just to try to protect yourself. It doesn't happen often, but it's a pain in the ass when it does.
The thing is, like, it's for me, they just charge me back $100 without any.
Automatically, yeah.
Yeah, $100. I was like, come on, guys, it's not that. Like,
Yeah, you're like, I can prove I gave it to someone.
Yeah.
Great news, that order was ready, but very interesting, the manager of that restaurant just noticing my camera and really understanding why I'm doing it, protecting myself. He gets charged back. He said instantly $100. I've never heard that before. The order might not even be $100, but right away, he knows customers that are lying, saying they didn't get it delivered or we never got it picked up. He gets charged, he feels it, we feel it. Customers who do that, you suck. But earlier I said keep it rolling, and Uber Eats is keeping it rolling. $9.36 for an extra 15 minutes. Are we gonna have a $100 night? Let's find out. Hi, Uber Eats for Kim. Fantastic, thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. So all the offers have come to a stop. Well, the good ones anyway. I've been getting a whole bunch of crappy offers that I did not want to take. So you know what? I've hit the 4-hour mark. I'm not going to get to $100. I'm going to end the night with $96.50, but almost $25 an hour. I am thrilled. I needed this. I was getting discouraged. I almost just didn't want to even bother going out anymore. It was getting that bad in my area, but I'm happy to take that. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you next time.